This is Kathy from your success team at MIFOinc. I'd like to go over our rebill, pending, and appeal report. This report is extremely helpful in working with your staff to manage the QIP process. As all of your encounters are billed out and we receive them in your upload, we run them through our HEDIS engine to make certain that all the coding that is required to close the gap is actually indicated properly. So if we're looking at this encounter for adolescent well care, we can clearly see that there are codes that are missing. So we take all of this missing data, errors and omissions, and put it in a rebill status. Coming here to this dashboard, you can see how many dollars are currently in rebill status. Give this report to your biller and ask them to go in and complete the proper coding and rebill all of these encounters out again. As they're rebilled out again, and we have fresh data from your billing or 837, we pull these into a pending status. We hold them here for 60 days for the health plan to adjudicate the claim and to pass on that claim data to the quality team to give your practice the proper incentive credit for that claim. As we get a new MSR in each month, if that encounter still appears on your MSR for patient data, we automatically know that although the claim was fine, you did not receive the credit for that encounter. So you'll still see here, there's over $27,000 in appeals that has not gone through the proper channels. So what does that mean to your practice? If your practice saw the patient, completed the measure in full, billed it out, and would just think, okay, wonderful, we can cross that patient off our list. We've met the measure and we will be receiving our incentive dollars for the next year. When in fact, because we're able to determine that all the coding was not done properly, we follow that claim up until it falls into appeals. We know you have not gotten that credit, and we take all of this data and submit it to the health plan as a supplemental file. The supplemental file is then sent to the quality team where it is reviewed and you are receiving the credit for those dollars. So as you see, this is an extremely important dashboard because this is shedding light on all the errors and omissions that would not normally be seen without analytics.